Someone somewhat recently asked me, how do I know when he starts getting tired? There are a couple of tips. I'll go through them here. One, he starts looking around, acting like he doesn't know which way to go when he really does. Two, he starts getting right in front of me, like we can't go anymore, we have to slow down. Even when he gets to his big rock. Are you gonna do it? Huh? This is his favorite rock. What do you think, bud? Good? 3, he starts wanting to turn around instead of go down. Oh, look, he surprised me. He must not be tired enough yet. And then we start making back, and he all of a sudden has pep in his step again. And then we get to the side of me instead of in front. And then he's right next to me, aka I kick him because he's too close. And then we get the sidewinder action. And sign. He's on the flat, keeping at us at 11:40 pace. Going slight downhill, and he's still holding me up. So he's been damn near tripping me for the last couple of miles. And now watch what's about to happen. Full on sprint to the car. It's like nothing ever happened. Let's go, let's go, let's go.